Want to know how to use matrices or matrix in Java? So it's super simple and easy and under a minute. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get right into it. So in Java, a matrix is simply a two-dimensional or 2D array. Imagine it as rows and columns, just like in math. For example, a 3x3 matrix can be written as int with two arrays right here, and then just matrix equals to new int with array 3 and 3. You can assign values either to access or print matrix. We also use nested loops, the outer loop for rows and the inner loop for columns. For example, printing a matrix rows might look like this right here. So under this code right here, we have used a nested loop system. So inside for loop, we have another for loop just to print a two-dimensional or simple 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix. And that's it. This concept is really essential because matrices are widely used in real-life applications like graphics, pathfinding, image processing, and even in AI. By practicing matrices in Java, you get comfortable with multi-dimensional arrays, nested loops, and systematic data organization. I hope this video helped. I'm just going to show you the output of our matrix writer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a 2x2, that is two-dimensional array. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.